Does your car feel lazy on cold mornings? You hit the gas, but it barely moves. Don't worry. Today I'll show you why your car accelerates slowly in winter and how to fix it. You start your car, it cranks. But when you drive, it feels like you're dragging an anchor. This sluggishness is super common in winter. Your car is not broken, it's just cold. I'll break down the real reasons behind this, from thick oil to low tire pressure, and give you easy fixes. No need for fancy tools or a mechanic's degree, just practical tips anyone can use. Stick around and you'll have your car running strong even on the coldest days. Slow acceleration is when you press the gas and your car feels heavy or hesitant, especially in winter. It's not a major failure, just a common cold weather issue. Most of the time, it's temporary and easy to fix once you know what's causing it. Let's dig into the main reasons your car feels sluggish when it's cold. Engine oil is your engine's lifeblood, but in the cold, it thickens up like molasses. Thick oil makes it harder for engine parts to move, so your engine works overtime just to get going. That's why your car feels slow until everything warms up. It's like running a race in a pool of jello. No wonder acceleration suffers. The right oil can make a huge difference. Cold air is denser, so your engine's computer adds more fuel to match it. At startup, sensors are cold and readings aren't perfect, so the engine runs rich, extra fuel, less efficiency. This causes hesitation or bogging down when you first hit the gas. After a few minutes, the system balances out and performance improves. It's a quick adjustment, not a big problem. Cold weather drops your tire pressure, sometimes by 5 psi or more. Underinflated tires create more friction, making your car feel sluggish and killing your gas mileage. It's like riding a bike with flat tires, hard work for little speed. Check your tire pressure regularly in winter for a smoother ride. Cold weakens your battery and slows down sensors. A weak battery might barely start your car, but it can't power sensors and computers properly. Slow or inaccurate sensor signals mean delayed throttle response and poor performance. The alternator works overtime to recharge, making things worse. Keep your battery healthy for better winter starts. Don't idle your car for 10 minutes to warm it up. It wastes gas and isn't good for modern engines. Just let it idle for 30-60 seconds to get oil circulating. Then drive gently. Your car warms up faster under light load. Long idling can actually cause more engine wear. Start, wait a minute, and go. It's better for your car and your wallet. Use the oil your car's manual recommends. Look for the W number on the cap. Lower numbers, like 0W20, flow better in the cold, protecting your engine and improving response. Synthetic, low-viscosity oil is like a warm jacket for your engine. Don't skimp. Good oil is cheap insurance. A tire pressure gauge is your winter secret weapon. Check your tires weekly when they're cold, using the pressure listed on your door jamb. Proper inflation means less rolling resistance and better acceleration. It's an easy, effective way to keep your car peppy and efficient. After a quick warm-up, drive gently for the first 5-10 minutes. No hard acceleration. Let your engine, transmission, and suspension warm up gradually. Smooth driving reduces wear and makes your car feel better, faster. After a few miles, your car will be much more responsive. Patience pays off in winter driving. Now you know the secrets to beating winter sluggishness. It's not a disaster, just cold oil, dense air, low tire pressure, and weak batteries. With these simple tips, you'll keep your car running strong and save money. Like, subscribe, and comment if your car struggles in winter. Take care of your car and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.